Hey everyone, I'm Naina and I'm super excited to talk to you about Qodo Gen CLI. This is a terminal-first AI development tool and it really lets you define, run, and automate AI agents across your entire software development lifecycle. It's really built for developers who live in the terminal, just like me. So from NeoVim diehards to CI/CD pipeline tinkers, if you want full control over how AI shows up in your stack, this is the tool to do that. And if you can write a shell command, you can orchestrate Qodo agents. This is an amazing tool for the AI coding shift that we're seeing. And I'm going to show you how to get started so you can plug in the built-in tools and create your own agents right there in the terminal to supercharge your dev workflow. So let's jump in and get started. To get started, you can globally install Qodo Gen CLI using the npm package. When the installation is complete, use the command Qodo login to authenticate yourself. This takes you to your browser and you can use your email to sign in. Back in the terminal, the first thing we're going to do is create agents. The process is pretty straightforward. In your project, create an agents folder. Go into the agents folder and create a TOML file with the name of the agent you want to create. In this case, I'm creating a security check agent and a pre-commit check validation agent for my data pipeline project. We'll get to the pre-commit check agent later. For now, let's set up a simple security agent. A Qodo agent requires only a few attributes: the command name, description, instructions, and an execution strategy. We're going to save that file and go back to the root of our project directory and create a general agent TOML file. In this file, we import the security agent so we can use it in our project. Reference the path of the agent in your project, and also you can specify the model of your choice that will be called when your custom agent runs. What's awesome about Qodo is that you can run multiple agents in different terminal windows. In one, I'm running Qodo Security Check. That's the security agent we just created. In another, I'm in a different branch and I need to review someone else's code. So I'm running Qodo Review, and that's a built-in agent that connects to Qodo Merge, which is a really powerful, intelligent code-based awareness engine, and it handles an in-depth PR review process for me. Multiple processes run in parallel, and this also means that each agent calls all the tools and MCP servers that it needs to get the tasks done. The next thing we're going to try is interacting with Qodo using the Qodo chat. This is an awesome way for ongoing sessions of different changes and tasks that you want to complete without just one-offs using the Qodo command. While that's running, I can show you another awesome feature. If you really want to move outside of the terminal, you can use the --UI flag in a command and it'll take you to your web browser. From there, you can actually interact with Qodo agents right there in the browser. To streamline the workflow of my project, I asked this browser agent to set up a release notes GitHub workflow, which is going to be super helpful in the whole process of developing, writing code, testing it, getting into production. So these are the kind of processes that you can automate using Qodo agents, and it's very convenient because if there are patterns of tedious work that you don't want to do manually, you can have the agents take care of that for you and focus on more creative problem solving. When Qodo agents are done, they usually provide documentation on all the changes it made and why, how to use some new commands in order to run and leverage the different features that it developed in your code base. And this is super helpful because it helps with pushing code along at the highest level of standards. Qodo CLI can turn any IDE agentic. You can pull up the terminal in the IDE of your choice and begin chatting and making changes and watch it happen live. In the beginning of this walkthrough, I created a pre-commit check TOML file, but I didn't actually add anything to it. So this time around, I asked Qodo to do it for me, and here are the results. Qodo agents are very intuitive, so not only did it create or fill out the pre-commit check agent file, it also added it to the agent.toml file as a path that's imported so you can immediately begin using it. In the built-in terminal, I can now run Qodo pre-commit check and let that process run. When the custom pre-commit agent is done, it provides a very in-depth report. The next thing to do is really to ask Qodo, hey, can you use this information to then go and improve the code for me? And you can reference the files that it created that laid out all the instructions of highest priority items to improve in the code base. There are a ton of other super interesting commands, features, things that you can do with Qodo right from the CLI. All you have to do is install it, give it a try, build some custom agents, and see how it can help to supercharge your dev workflow. Check out our docs, join the Discord community, Twitter, and watch our YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.